power. And I think it's about time we all started sharing the knowledge. So here at Phase 1 we've come up with an idea called the 20-second tip. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a series of videos where we're going to share 20-second tips. But what would be really good is if we can get everybody involved. Not all these tips are going to come from us or me. We're going to put an email on this video and we're going to put some links as well, and we want you to send your 20-second tip. Yeah, I'm talking to all you guys out there, entertainers, DJs, singers, bands. We all have our little things that when we're out on a gig that we don't think about it, and it just helps you. Now, to be honest with you, all these tips and tricks are great for everybody to learn. You know, I have one where I like to take electrical tape everywhere I go. I have no reasons for that, and I will put it in a tip later on. So we're going to run this series of videos. We want everybody to like and share and subscribe to this series of videos, 20-second tips and tricks. After this video, we're going to give you our first example of what we expect. Now, you can do your own video. So if you want to send us a video, we'll do it via WeTransfer, and you can send us your 20-second tip, and you can make your own video and we'll share it on our YouTube channel and all our social networks. If you don't want to be on camera, just email us your tip and we will read it out for you and we'll give you a mention and where you're from. 20-second tips. Here we go. 20-second tip number 1. This 20-second tip has come in from Nathan at Phase 1. And his tip is always keep a torch in your van or in your kit bag. Always with batteries. A torch always comes in handy. Thank you very much to Nathan at Phase 1 for that top tip.